Okay, so we're going to show you how to do a power cleaning on the MP2410, which is suggested to be done in the morning, but we want to show you for demonstration purposes, and so morning or at nighttime. Okay, so depending on like how much volume you have or you're doing during the day, but what we want to show you is exactly how to do a power cleaning. So you see the menu. Okay, so we have one of the employees from GTS. That's one of our clients, and so you can see on the screen there that it shows that it's ready. So at that point, when you're on the home screen, let's consider the home screen, what you're going to go do is going to go straight to the menu button, which is located on your right. Scroll down to where it says maintenance, and after that go down to where it says cleaning, and then press power cleaning and then execute, and that's it. Usually it takes about maybe anywhere roughly about between 3 to 5 minutes, and then you're all set. And after that, you should be ready to continue operation.